Next up, the Barista's Bag. This one you'll find on Vondel, all the way in the northeast side of the map in F4. Zooming in, we have the mall on our far right, and on the left is this little section here. Right in the dead center of it is where we want to head. Quick shout out to Starry for showing this location. So this area is obviously filled with quite a few level 2 guards, more than level 1 even, so do take caution when you come here. There are tons and tons of AI to push back against you. That being said, they're not exactly difficult. If you come at least somewhat prepared, life should be somewhat easy. But of course, if you alert the guards in the nearby areas, they will all run towards you. Right, so after clearing out what feels like the entire country, we'll run right towards that middle section on the left-hand side of the mall here. So for this, we'll run up this little building section here. There's a few cash registers to loot, as well as tons of cupboards in this little section here, which will net you some okay loot, as well as the Barista's Bag right here. This is where you'll need the Barista's Bag key. It's simple enough to find. It's a little coffee shop called Patisserie, something like that. It's located just in the back of this building here. There is quite a bit of loot and money around the area, so you can grab that as well. Anyways, my name's been Troubleshoot. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.